Welcome to the CA Datacom DB 24/7 feature video, the 1000 alter transaction. Selected attributes can be updated on database structure components that are in a production status. The traditional method for accomplishing this is with a 1000 catalog. It involves 4 steps. The first step being a DD update containing the actual change transactions. Then a DB utility containing MUF database access off and close transactions because the resource cannot be opened in multi-user when the change is cataloged. So the third step is the DD update containing the 1000 catalog transaction. And finally, a DB utility with an access right to allow access to the resource once the change has been completed. With the 1000 alter method, the change just described can be done in a single step, and the database can be open and active in MUF while the change is being made. The structure components having attributes that can be changed using this method are the database, which is the index-related attributes, the data area, the Datacom table, and key. If there are test database definitions that correlate to the production that was just changed, then changes to those will have to be done independently in both cases, whether it be the 1000 catalog or 1000 alter method. I will now demonstrate how to update a production database definition using the 1000 alter method. As you can see, there's already a multi-user facility running. So first I want to show you the startup messages so that you can see it is enabled and that database 10 is already open. I will now switch to the JCL and let me show you the transactions that we'll be executing to change 2 dynamic extend attributes. It's the order entry database, it's in production status, and these are the 2 attributes. But before I do that, I would like to run a report that will show you what the values are before we submit the actual update. Switch to the output. Here's the report. There's actually 2 outputs or reports. The first is the data dictionary. So let me show you what the attributes are currently. And you can see that the bottom 2, dynamic extend and extend tracks, are no and then 0. And if we look at the CXX report, you have to shift over a bit, find dynam, oops. And you can see dynamic extend is also no and 0 in the CXX. So let's go back to our JCL. And now I will go ahead and submit the member that's going to actually do the update. Let's switch back to our output. And there's the resulting job. Let's look at it. Output. There's the 2 reports again. We go to the bottom, and you'll see now that the dynamic extend is T for tracks, and the extend tracks is now 15. Now let's go check the CXX report. Again, shift right a bit, find dynamic, D-I-N, and you see that in the CXX, it also has dynamic extend, in this case, yes, and tracks of 15. So the 1000 alter was able to successfully update a production definition in both the data dictionary and in the CXX while the database was open. That concludes this video. We look forward to you coming back in the future for additional Datacom DB 24/7 feature videos.